Nice. So, just working on this Nissan Sentra. I think it's a pretty common issue with these. The terminal on the fuel pump gets corroded together, the pin, and there's just a crank no start. All the corrosion. Remove this cover from that. This terminal was all corroded and the pin from this was stuck to it, so I had to clean it up. Hey guys, so we have a crank no start situation. I already diagnosed the issue. And this when I removed this connector out of here, simply well, basically before that I had this thing on and I removed this hose, and then I had a person cranking, you know, the engine. So he was cranking the engine, and then there was no fuel coming out, so obviously we have an issue with the fuel pump. And I also had the starting fluid. This guy. So I sprayed it and the engine started. But the main thing is my meter. Put it on volts. Okay, so this lead is gonna go basically right there to ground, like right here, and then the other one, this red lead, is gonna go to this, let's see, it's a green wire right there. It's your main power feed for the fuel pump, and it's gonna go right here. And then you should have 14 volts on this thing when you crank the engine. Anyways, so that was after I removed this connector, but dobra, tak, teraz to pójdzie tutaj. Try something. So, proszę pana, iść pokręcić ten zaraz. This is the ground right there. Tak.
Jeszcze.
Okay.
Start.
Try it now. Keep it cranking. Okay, so we have power here. That's good. Wszystko. There was a lot of corrosion here, but I cleaned it up. And now I'm gonna leave it here. So that terminal on the pump basically corroded itself to this terminal, so all the green crusties, but hopefully we can save the connector. We're gonna get the fuel pump for this thing. Okay, let's go here. Dobra, wtedy to będzie tu postawić.
Wstawiasz tu do tego.
Ja może tutaj, jeżeli w bagażniku u pana ma miejsce, czy co może. Żeby później nie nosić to wszystko. New fuel pump in. Hopefully this connector is going to be fine. I already cleaned a lot of corrosion out of it, and I just have to move this thing clockwise now, so we're going to test it afterwards. I'm going to connect it and test it. Let's try to plug it in. Okay, so it's plugged in now. Let's see. Turn the key. Okay, we don't have a key. Give me 1 second. Okay, I don't know where he went, but the owner has a key. So this kind of sucked because these ears, you had to pry them back, and then you had to remove this ring, and then we'll have to replace this connector probably. I try to clean it right now, and we'll see if everything is okay. We'll check for leaks right now, but hopefully everything is fine. This is the old one. You can see the issue right there. You got the pins, and then there's got nothing right there. I mean, I bet the pump is still okay, it's just these connectors are no good. So we'll see how everything works right now. And also I try to be as clean as possible here. You don't want to, have this compressed air kinda here. So try to keep everything clean so nothing goes inside the fuel tank. So we're gonna see if it starts and if there's no leaks. So I'm gonna try to test it now. Okay. Зараз zobaczymy. Tak, dobrze. Wszystko dobrze robię, nie?
Tak, pokazuje
Service engine soon. To u pana było już takie coś, czy nie?
serwis? Nie,
Nie było? Okej.
nie.
Dobra, ja wiem dlaczego to. Dlatego, że ja odłączyłem jeden ten. Dobra, wyłączyć teraz go? Okay. Now turn the ignition on. Po prostu tak. Okay. Okay, so we got no leaks. Dobra. Okay, just start it up now. Yeah. Okay. Just let it run right now. I wanna feel this connector here. Make sure there's not too much resistance. Because this connector is gonna have to be changed anyways. Right now it's just like a temporary fix, pretty much. Okay. Service engine, I'm gonna clear that for you. I have a scan tool, so don't worry about that. Just keep it running for a little bit, okay? I just want to make sure it's okay, it doesn't leak, okay? Czyli zaprowadzić go trochę, czyli zastartować.
Startować?
Tak, niech on popracuje tam gdzieś 5 minut, czyli to już nie ma problemów.
Okej.
Just want to make sure everything's fine. Okay.
On tam leak może...
Nie ma leaks, no leaks, nothing, everything is fine. This is on because I had this unplugged. Remember when I was spraying the fluid in there and it started? That's because that thing was disconnected. So I'm gonna grab the scan tool now. Зараз я just want to see if everything's fine. Okay, so it is working. Okay.
Nie powinno jeszcze dzisiaj padać, może popadać jutro, ale o tym powiem Państwu po wiadomościach za wiadomości.
To wyłącz wcale.
Okay.
O, kluczyków. Tam nie leży
Okej,
gdzieś.
dobra. Okay, it's perfect. No leaks, everything is working. Check engine was on because I had this thing unplugged. When I was testing it, I had him crank the engine, so it was unplugged. So, okay, let's see if there's no leaks again. Okay. Okay, everything looks good. I'm gonna start putting it back. This cover.